You've got a problem with your Koho account. Maybe your card is missing, or there's a weird charge you don't recognize. Or maybe you just have a burning question about your balance. And you're thinking, I need to talk to a real person right now. But here's the kicker, you can't find a Koho phone number anywhere. Sound familiar? Well, you're not alone. Let's dive into this together and figure out how to get in touch with Koho by phone. Now, before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's talk about why this is such a pain point. In today's digital age, we're used to having instant access to customer service. We pick up our phones, dial a number, and voila, we're connected to a human being who can help us. But with Koho, it's like they're playing hard to get. There's no obvious phone number plastered on their website or app. It's like they're trying to discourage you from calling. So, why is this the case? Well, there are a few theories. One is that Koho wants to encourage customers to use their online help center or in-app support. This can be cheaper for them and, in some cases, faster for customers. Another possibility is that they're trying to reduce call volume. Handling phone calls can be expensive and time-consuming, so by making it difficult to find a phone number, they might be hoping to deter some people from calling. But let's be honest, sometimes you just need to talk to a person. Maybe the issue is too complex for the online help center, or you're feeling frustrated and need to vent. Whatever the reason, you deserve to have the option of speaking to someone on the phone. So, how do you actually get through to Koho by phone? Well, it's not easy, but it's possible. The first thing to know is that there isn't a publicly listed phone number. However, there are a few workarounds. Option 1, the in-app support workaround. Believe it or not, the Koho app might be your best bet. While it doesn't give you a direct phone number, it does offer in-app support. You can usually find this option in the settings or help section of the app. Once you're there, look for a live chat or support ticket option. Now, here's a little tip, be persistent. If you can't find a live chat option immediately, keep digging. Sometimes, it's buried deep within the app. And if you end up having to submit a support ticket, be as clear and concise as possible in your message. Include all relevant details about your issue, and don't be afraid to ask for a phone call if you feel it's necessary. Option 2, Social Media Blitz. Social media can be a powerful tool for getting attention. If you're really struggling to get a response from Koho through other channels, try reaching out to them on their social media platforms. Twitter is often a good starting point, as many companies monitor their Twitter accounts closely for customer inquiries. When you post, be polite but firm. Clearly state your issue and explain that you're trying to reach customer support by phone. Tag their official account to increase your chances of getting noticed. Don't be afraid to follow up with additional tweets or messages if you don't get an immediate response. Option 3, the old-fashioned way. If you're feeling really determined, you could try contacting Koho through traditional mail. While this might seem like a slow and outdated method, it can sometimes be effective. Send a clear and concise letter explaining your issue and requesting a phone call. Include your contact information, of course. Now, I know what you're thinking, this all sounds like a lot of effort. And you're absolutely right. It's frustrating to have to jump through hoops just to talk to a customer service representative. But the good news is, once you get through to Koho, their support team is generally helpful and knowledgeable. So, there you have it. While it's not ideal, these are the best ways to contact Koho by phone. Remember, be persistent, be polite, and don't give up. And if you do manage to get through, let us know in the comments below how it went. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.